my name is Alice, full-time scientist and part-time ninja, and happy National Science Week. Today, I'm going to be sharing some science that you can do at home. We're going to break a wooden ruler clean in half with the power of ninja skills and a little bit of help from the power of air pressure. But these rulers, they are pretty hard to break. So I think rather than just using my hands, I'm going to try to use this table and some great sound effects. So I'm going to use the side of my hand, I'm going to karate chop this ruler and see if I can break it. Are you ready? Let's count down from 3. 3, 2, 1, Hiiii-ya! I probably used the wrong sound effect. Let's try a different sound effect. 3, 2, 1, Ka-cha! Swazam! Kapow! I've only got a few more rulers, so maybe we should change up our approach a little bit. I'm putting lots of force downwards on the ruler, but there's not an awful lot of force holding the ruler on the table. Maybe we could change that and see if we can do some better ninja breaking. Okay, I've changed one thing about this experiment. I've now put a sheet of newspaper on top of our ruler, and I promise I'm not trying to trick you. A good ninja never tricks. The paper's not stuck down, it's just sitting gently on top of the ruler, but I am going to flatten it out really smooth. Let's see if some air pressure might be helping this paper to help me be the best ninja in the world. I'm going to do that same Hiiii-ya motion I did before on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hiiii! I can measure 30 centimeters with that ruler anymore. Let's figure out what happened. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling pretty proud of my ninja skills. But maybe we should explore exactly why using a little flimsy piece of paper made such a difference. The thing that's going on here is this paper is helping us take advantage of air pressure. Now air presses all around us. And for every square centimetre of our body, we're experiencing about 1 kilogram of air pressure. That's like taking a water bottle or a 2-litre milk bottle and balancing it on just 2 of your knuckles. There's that much push going on 2 centimetres of your body. Imagine how much push you're experiencing everywhere. You are really strong. I'm really strong too. But unfortunately, it's not just because we're ninjas, it's because our bodies are adapted to this air pressure being all around us, so we don't usually notice it. If I put my ruler just on top of the table, there is some air pressure pushing down on the bit of the ruler that's sitting on the table. 2 centimetres by 15 centimetres is about 30 kilograms of pressure. That's like a medium-sized dog. But my ninja powers of whacking are more powerful than a medium-sized dog sitting on my ruler. However, if we put the ruler underneath the paper, suddenly it's being held in place by all the air that's pushing all over this piece of paper. That's about 420 kilograms of pressure, or another way to think of it is to imagine a dugong sitting on the paper. And by our powers combined, a dugong's worth of air pressure and my incredible ninja skills mean that we can snap this ruler clean in half. Nice one, air pressure dugong. A nice one to all of you. Happy National Science Week.